everybody! I hope that you had a lovely Christmas season. I did absolutely nothing but play games and overeat, and now I am relatively ready to rejoin society. I thought that I would make this video because I'm so excited. One of my favorite brands sent me kind of like a lucky box, I guess, like a fukubukuro. They sent me just some random dresses and I'm really excited but also anxious. I don't know, I'm very anxious, so like stuff like this makes me feel like what if there's a piranha or something inside. Anyways, I'm really excited. If you don't know this store, they're called Piriri Shop. I definitely said that wrong, but I'll put the name at the bottom. They're a very inexpensive brand. I think they actually ship from China, but the designer, she lives in Sweden, I think. All the clothes are incredibly gorgeous and just the design's really cute, but the most important thing for me is that the quality is also pretty good. Like, as you know, I really like Japanese fashion, but sometimes the quality isn't really great and it's still quite expensive. That's why I also enjoy buying from foreign brands, indie brands, stuff like that. This one particularly, like the average of the quality and the design and everything, very cute. And I've had clothes from them for years and they've kept up pretty well. Like, I wear them quite a lot because often I think you'll find that kawaii clothing isn't really meant to be worn a lot or worn outside, and like a lot of times people on Instagram who wear this kind of kawaii pastel stuff generally just wear it in their bedroom and take pictures because it can get dirty very easily, and also like a lot of it is quite poorly made. But yeah, this brand's pretty good, and if you're like me and you wear it outside quite a lot, then yeah, I really recommend it. They send me quite a lot of things, but also I buy things from them too because honestly I just love their stuff. This dress I'm wearing today is actually from them. I don't know how to describe it, but it's very velvety. It's very cute. And I think a lot of the time Japanese kawaii stuff can be a little bit too cute, whereas Piriri store and a lot of newer foreign brands who also do kawaii clothing, they can make it a little bit, I don't want to say sexy, but I guess more adult in some respects. And as I'm getting older, I really like that. So here we go. I'm the least dexterous person in the entire world. You have no idea how many times I've cut myself. I was listening to music and I cut one of my earphones off once. Just like, basically I'm a fool. And this is taped pretty well. This came from China to Japan, so I guess I had to wrap it pretty well. I was surprised it arrived quite quickly too. I wasn't expecting it till after the new year. If you hear any noises, I don't know why, but this morning my cats, my sons, I don't know, they're so excited. I think there's like some construction or something outside and they don't appreciate it. Yeah, I have no idea how I'm supposed to open this. Oh, here we go, maybe here. God, it's like watching someone from the Stone Age use a tool for the first time. That did something. I want to cut the dresses inside. No, that's not it. This is harder than it looks. Oh, it is stuffed. Like, this box isn't even square anymore. It's proper round, like me. Okay, here we go. Ja-dun. It's like a big marshmallow inside. Okay, let's see what we got. Also, like, the packaging is kind of cute. I don't know. Seems like they made a little effort. They put how to wash everything and the name of the store and stuff like that. To enhance feminine beauty. I definitely need some of that. Okay, first one. Ja-ja. Ooh. Oh, this is very cute. Ooh. I don't know what kind of material this is, but it's gorgeous. It's like Very cottony and comfortable. Yeah, that's adorable. I like the sleeves too. This is really, really cute. Honestly, I probably wear this out and then I'm gonna wear it as like room wear. It's very soft. Very cute. Even the pattern on the fabric is very, very cute. Yes, very good. In my favorite color. The only color there is in the world. Okay, next one. Let's have a look. Ta-da! Whoa! Okay, I actually own this dress in pink, so it's great that it comes in ivory. This is probably out of all my dresses the one that I wore the most. It's very like easy to accessorize. Like I wore like a corset over it or a cardigan over it or sometimes under a dress. My favorite part is the skirt. Like that's just gorgeous. Very, very good. I think this design is one of their anniversary designs. They release some special ones now and then, but yes, very, very cute. Oh, this is a big one. I feel like Christmas all over again. Wow, wow, wow. This is a one-piece dress with a ribbon at the front. It's very, very, it's like silky. Very silky. This is like the dress that woman wears in Resident Evil. The big bitch. Yes. Very good. Love the sleeves. Yeah, I actually don't own many things in this material. I'm really excited to wear this and chase a little man around a castle. Oh, okay. Very good. There's one more. Let's have a look. I think, oh, wow. Okay. Oh, it's a set. Oh, that's cute. Very good. This is a top and a skirt. That's very cute. I don't own a lot of sets, but I love the concept of them because they're just really easy to change it up and obviously accessorize and stuff like that. But this is great. Oh my god. Yeah, that's great. Okay, that was the surprise Christmas present I got from P Lady store. I'm very, very happy. These are all very cute and just very easy to accessorize and lots of pink, which I love. I'm really excited. Okay, so I think my favorite is the setup. It's just the little frills and this part is really, really, really cute. I think the shape of the bodice part is gonna look really, really nice and should give me a waist. Yeah, the skirt's really simple too, so I can wear it a lot. Really adore this. Just the fabric, so silky and nice. And again, like this is something that is just pure white, so you could wear it again and again and accessorize it differently. Then there's this cute pink cotton number and this one, which is kind of like ivory. I just love the little details, like the little pearl buttons and these little ribbons. It's just such a nice little touch. And that's something that I really look for now in fashion, just like little touches like this. that was Pilili's store. Please let me know what you think. I styled these outfits really quickly, particularly because right now there's not a lot of sunlight, I guess, in Japan. Like, you get stuck around 4:30, so I really tried to be quick. But yeah, I'm really pleased with what I got. I feel like the owner really matched my Instagram style well. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention is that Pilili store actually have sizes, which is wild for me because in Japan usually there's only S or maybe M if you're lucky. It's very rare to find L sizes in really cute stores. So yeah, they also have like a plus size range, which is really incredible because I know that's something that people really struggle with. I mean, me too. I'm considered really chubby in Japan, so sometimes I don't get to wear the things I want to wear. Anyways, I'll drop my code at the bottom. I think it's capsulebunny811, and if you use that, then you can get a discount on their store. Really love this store a lot, and I'm really glad that I could show it to you guys. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe.